I made a full animated movie in one afternoon with zero animation skills. I didn't touch a camera, draw a frame, or write a script from scratch. And no, I didn't hire anyone either. It was all done using one free AI tool called InVideo AI. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to use InVideo AI to make your own animated video, even if you've never done anything like this before. Step 1. Sign up for InVideo AI. First, go to the InVideo AI website. There's a link in the description to help you find it quickly. Once you're there, click Sign Up and create a free account. You just need an email and password, or you can use Google to log in. After that, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is your control center, where you can start building your projects and explore different tools. Step 2. Start a new animated workflow. Now, before doing anything else, find the version selector. This part is important. Make sure you switch to version 3.0. That version unlocks full generative content, which is what lets InVideo AI create animations from your story idea. Version 2.0 is still around, but it's limited. It mostly uses stock footage instead of full animation, so skip that if your goal is to make a truly animated movie with characters and scenes built entirely by AI. With version 3.0 selected, head to the menu on the left side and click on Workflows. This section holds all the different creation paths you can use. Use the search bar and type in animated video. When it pops up, click on this. That will open up a project configuration screen where you'll set the stage for your story. Step 3. Write your story prompt. Over here, you'll see a big text box where you can enter your story prompt. This is where you type a short description of your entire story. Keep it under 2 or 3 sentences. Don't overthink it, but make sure it's interesting. You want to give the AI enough to build something engaging. For example, you could write something like, "A girl finds a message in a bottle that sends her on a journey to meet the person who wrote it." That's enough for the AI to know the emotional tone, the characters, and the basic structure. You're giving it a solid starting point without micromanaging. Step 4. Configure the settings. Once your prompt is in, scroll down to the animation settings. These control the style and details of the video. First, make sure to check the box that says "Only use generated clips." This tells the system to avoid stock videos and use fully AI-generated animation only. That's what you want if you're trying to make a full animated movie. Next, choose your background music style. You can go for emotional, inspirational, dramatic, or something else that fits your story. This background music will play across your scenes, so it helps set the mood. Then you'll select voice actors. These are AI-generated voices, but you get to choose the gender, tone, and age range. Pick ones that match your characters' personalities. If your story has a young boy and an older woman, pick voices that feel right for those roles. Getting this right makes your video feel more alive. Step 5. Generate the video. When you're happy with your setup, click Continue and then hit Generate Video. Now the AI takes over. Sometimes it might ask you follow-up questions to clarify your story or characters. Just answer based on your idea. It usually asks for things like audience type or themes if it needs more details. Then it begins generating. This can take anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes, depending on how complex your story is. Go grab a snack, come back, and your animated video will be ready to preview. Step 6. Review the generated story. Once it's done, you'll have a full animated video that's around 10 minutes long. You can choose to make it shorter in the settings if you want something that's not as long. It comes complete with a script, scenes that stay consistent, recurring characters, voiceovers, background music, and smooth transitions. The AI handles everything from pacing to scene changes. Watch through your video and take notes on anything that feels off. It could be a scene that doesn't quite match your idea, a line that sounds awkward, or a voice that doesn't fit. Step 7. Make script and scene edits. Now go into the Script tab. This is where you can make edits to the dialogue. If a line sounds weird or robotic, change the text and regenerate the voiceover for that line. You can also adjust how characters speak, adding more emotion or clarity. Below that, you'll see a timeline with all your scenes. Click into each scene to see your options. You can regenerate a specific scene using a new prompt. For example, if scene 3 feels boring, you can type something like, "Show the girl walking into a foggy forest at night," and the AI will rebuild that scene. You can also change the length of scenes, making them shorter or longer to improve pacing. Don't completely change one character's look or voice midway through unless it's part of the story. Step 8. Customize music, SFX, and subtitles. You can replace the default background music with another track or upload your own. You can also add specific sound effects like girl crying or waves crashing. The AI will find or generate those for you. If you want subtitles, open the command box and type, "Add white English subtitles in minimalist style." That's it. The AI will auto-generate subtitles in that format. Step 9. Add more characters. If your story has multiple characters and you want to expand the cast, go into Settings and then Audio and Characters. Here, you can add new characters, give them voice styles, pick their age or tone, and assign them lines in the script. This is totally optional, but helpful if your story evolves and you need more variety in the voiceovers. Step 10. Final adjustments. Once everything looks polished, do a final pass. Remove anything you don't like. Maybe the AI added background subtitles you don't need, or a sound effect that doesn't work. Delete anything that doesn't serve your story. Then choose your video quality. Most people go with HD for YouTube, but you can select whatever fits your needs. Then hit Render. Rendering usually takes a few minutes. Once it's done, hit Download. You now have a fully animated movie, ready to upload to YouTube, TikTok, or anywhere else. You didn't need a team. You didn't need an animation degree. Just one idea and this tool. And here's something that's incredibly helpful to know. InVideoAI isn't just for stories. You can use it for product videos or short animated ads too. Just change your prompt. Instead of writing a story about a character, write something like, "Create a 60-second animated video promoting a new eco-friendly water bottle with a clean, modern aesthetic." The AI will switch gears and build out a brand-style animation. This is great for marketers, product launches, and business owners who want motion content fast. InVideoAI has a free version you can use to test everything out. If you're ready to start your own animated movie, the link to InVideoAI is in the description. Give it a try and see what you can make. What type of videos are you thinking of making? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.